Now see here students, here I am talking about class 11th topic torque. It is also known as a moment of force. As you know that the turning effect of the force to rotate a body about axis is called torque. The torque depends upon two factors. First, magnitude of the force as well as perpendicular distance of the line of action from the rotational axis. In another words, we are talking about force. The torque is equal to the product of the magnitude of the force and perpendicular distance force from the axis of a rotation. We let here a bolt, nut bolt. To see here, this is called moment arm. When we apply the force in such a direction, then the body rotates in anti-clockwise direction, and in this case we can open the bolt. We apply the force. Force have two factors, F cos theta and F sin theta. When we open the nut bolt, we can apply the force with any angle theta. Any angle theta from the moment arm. This theta have a two factor, F cos theta and F sin theta. F sin theta is the line of action of the moment arm, so that cancel it. Means this force is not rotate the body. But as you know that this F sin theta is the perpendicular force, so this can rotate the body in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly in here, if we take the opposite direction of the force, then the body move to the clockwise direction. And this time the body is closed. Suppose first you will see this activity. This is a body. If we rotate this body in axis, then we can apply two forces. One is this force, left hand, and another is the right. This force is right hand. When this body is rotated its axis, we can apply two forces. One is forward force and another is a backward force. Then the body is rotated. It means two equal and opposite force exerted simultaneously on the body. That body is rotated its axis. This is known as a torque. Thank you so much.